Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing I am going to start with the lecture number 32. I have already uploaded 31 lectures in this series and I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched them yet, I recommend you to please watch them and come back to this one because each and every video in this series are interconnected, thus it's required to watch them sequentially. All the lectures in this series contain the lecture number and that would help you to go through the series easily. So in the last lecture, lecture number 31, and this is the output of the lecture number 31. So and I sorry, this is the code of the lecture number 31 and I am just going to show you the output of the lecture. This was the output of lecture number 31 and it was example 7 of table. I hope you have watched this video. So in the series I am going to start with 32nd lecture, and now today in this lecture I am going to elaborate the concept of caption. So caption is very much important for any table. As you give the heading, we can also give the caption. This you can see caption I have given here, and caption is also a sub tag of table. It also comes with the table tag. So it is also like tr, th or td. It is used within table only, and the thing is that it is not compulsory, but yes, if you are using caption then you should use this tag inside the table tag like I have used here. So you can see this tag used here. I am just going to show you the output of this 30-second lecture and then I will elaborate you that what's happening around. So you can see student table has written here, and this is appearing here because of the caption tag. In this particular example 7, you can see the title bar example 7, and this was the output of the 31st lecture. There is no caption here, but in this example 8 you can see that student table is a caption present. So caption tag is used to give the caption. By default, the alignment of caption tag is top. I'm just removing it and again applying it. Caption, and just say students or student table, and I'm closing this tag. So here I have just saved this. Now I'm just going to reload or refresh this particular file, and now you can see the caption student table is appearing at the top of the table. But thing is that it is not having any formatting. So for that we can apply the formatting, and now I am giving the formatting to this. I am just applying H1 for a heading. I am just closing it. So you can understand that there are options to apply different formatting. So you can see this is appearing at the top of the table and it is having formatting too, as I have applied H1. You can apply different formatting as per your requirements. Now, as I told you that there are two alignments for the caption tag: align top or align bottom. Left and right are not applicable. So I am just saving it with bottom, and now I am refreshing the page, the web page, and now you can see that it's appearing downwards at the bottom. I can also give underline tag as for the requirement, or now you can see that it's underlined. So I hope you are getting the concept of caption. Caption is required for the table, and it is just like the heading or the heading which data the table is representing, and it can be given at the top or bottom of the table. By default the alignment of caption is top, and now if you want to change the alignment you can just give the align attribute of caption tag and then it would be appearing at the bottom. So I hope you are getting the concept. I hope you are a subscriber of this channel. If you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe Fame World Educational Hub. And if you are a subscriber of Fame World Educational Hub, thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned. See you in the next lecture.